we are not celebrating things, we are celebrating people. Celebration is not just about throwing a party or having an event. That's nice. It's about caring about the people and celebrating the successes you are all enjoying together. The plaque on the wall, the high five, the party with cake and ice cream at 4:30, or whatever else we're checking off the list, all these may be nice. But guess what? If the people we are leading do not see and experience a stronger personal relationship with us based on something they have learned, accomplished, or achieved, it does not matter. If they do not experience a deeper personal connection to the organization's unique culture as a result of that connection, it does not matter. The celebration is likely to do more harm than good. Why? Well, because it's going to be perceived as fake. And all too often, it is fake.